What we have here today is a Briggs and Stratton powered lawnmower. I'm going to give it a servicing today, also known as a tune-up. First thing you're going to want to do is take and disconnect the spark plug here, and if it could easily be reconnected, we'll isolate that with a rag. Next, what we'll do is we're going to take and remove the air cover housing and take a look at the air filter. Okay, this air filter here, we're going to go ahead and replace it. It's a little bit dirty, and what they recommend is every 25 hours or once a season or so to inspect your air filter and replace it. And I'll take this off of here and clean all this extra grass clippings off, and we'll put a brand new filter on there. In order to get the right air filter and parts, you want to go on the side of the motor, and there is a model number. You want to write that down, and then you can purchase the correct air filter and spark plug for this. Okay, I had purchased a new air filter here, and we'll just simply place it in there, lock our cover in the bottom there, push it up, and then tighten this screw up. There is a direction that you put it on here. It says up and out. We'll go ahead and fit that in there, and we'll just tighten our screw up. Now we'll take and remove the spark plug. Take it all counterclockwise. Okay, if you're going to just reuse your old spark plug, what you want to do is get a feeler gauge and adjust the gap on there. It should be 30 thousandths of an inch. In metric, that would be like around 70 of a millimeter. And typically, if you buy a brand new one, they'll come already pre-gapped, and that's what we're going to do. It should be 30 thousandths, and I'll double check that. And it's gapped. Now it's ready to be installed. Want to thread it in by hand, so if it binds up a little bit, it might be cross-threaded, and then you'll wreck the threads in there. You don't want to do that. And then we'll just take and snug it up. You don't have to go really super tight on this, just a little bit over snug. There is a little washer on the bottom that crushes and makes a great seal, and that's all you have to do. Go ahead and snap the end of the spark plug back on. Now the other 2 points of servicing this engine here is we're going to sharpen the blade and change the oil in it, and I have 2 separate videos on that. I'll put a end card at the end of this video if you want to watch how to do that. There is only one other type of engine where they call it a tune-up, where they would have a points and condenser. They have not made those for well over 30 years, so it's I'm not going to touch on that. You would have to remove the flywheel and everything on the engine itself, and that doesn't pertain to this one here.